Hello my friends, today it's all about shooting cinematic high quality fitness ads. And yeah, to be more specific, it's made for Instagram, especially Instagram Reel or Stories. Usually when you shoot widescreen you have a lot of possibility to play around with your scene, especially on the sides. But this time you cut off the sides and you have a screen looking like this, which basically is 1080 times 1350. Only close-up shots and middle close-up shots will make it in your video to be a cool clip, because otherwise it will look kind of boring. Here's an example where I wanted to catch the full scene a bit wider away, and yeah, I don't think that looks cool. Usually I record everything with my gimbal to get the most stable shots, but in this case I decided against it and I did all handheld. This helps to create very dynamic scenes and you have this shaky movement and you capture the action right away. I shot the entire video with 3 lights. 2 key lights in the background, which are a bit cooler than the front light. The front light is this light you see in the back. It's a yongnuo 360 something, I will link it down below. It is a portable light with battery and it helps to keep the light in the place you really need it. I've used this front light to create color contrast, and I mean by that, the front light had a warm temperature and the backlight had a cold temperature. By that I can contrast the foreground and the background, so the people in the video, what's the video all about, pop even more. Most of the cameras have a lot of picture profiles such as S-Log, HLG and Cine4, and I would really not recommend you to shoot a fitness video with S-Log 3, because if the people are in the foreground and you only have 8-bit for this example, I know the new Sony a7S III has 10-bit, then you can shoot S-Log, but you don't need it really, because you have a dark surrounding, you want it powerful, you want it contrasty, and that's why you can use a contrasty profile in the beginning, and this will save you a lot of time in the color grading later, and it will look very good immediately and helps you with the light, because you're going to set the light however it looks contrasty, and this gives you a powerful effect in the whole video. Another pro tip is always record sound. Doesn't matter if you have a microphone or not, because this helps you for the editing later, and I will show you why. Search for music, invest that time that you find music that really matches your video, your style and your emotion. Secondly, use the sound you've recorded during the video shoot, because this makes your video a lot more lively and you will actually feel like you would be in that room too. Third would be sound effects, because you can use rises, you can use whoosh sounds, you can use hit sounds, everything you can imagine, just to make your video more dynamic within your sound design. And of course, the editing style always depends on the style of the video you're doing. In this case, it needs to be short, it needs to be fast, it needs to be quick. Alright guys, I hope you liked the video. If you want to see more about my light, or if you want to know more about sound effects and sound design, then drop a comment, maybe subscribe my channel, and we'll see us next time. Bye!